Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install Google Chrome on your Windows 10 computer. If you've just set up a new PC or want a faster browser, this is a super easy process. So first, open your current web browser. That could be Microsoft Edge or Internet Explorer. Once you're on the home page, go up to the address bar and type google.com/Chrome, then press Enter. This will take you straight to Google's official Chrome download page. On that page, you'll see a big button that says Download Chrome. Go ahead and click it. A small window will pop up asking you to accept Google's terms, so click on Accept and Install. Once you do that, the installer file called chromesetup.exe will start downloading. When the download is finished, open your Downloads folder or just click on the file at the bottom of your browser. The installation will start automatically. Just wait a few moments while it downloads all the files it needs. When it's done, Google Chrome will open up by itself, and you'll see a welcome screen ready to go. If you want to make Chrome your default browser, simply click on Set as Default. You can also sign in with your Google account so that your bookmarks, history, and passwords sync automatically from your other devices. And that's it! You've just learned how to install Google Chrome on Windows 10. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more helpful tutorials